Dear students, we'll come back to our second part of our session, online session. We are working on figure 14 on your exercise book. This is our figure 14, and we did finish the visible part of our side view. Now we'll work with the front. The front view, we have the base 124 by 12. We have a groove here, 60 by 6 height, and we have the upper part of our 100 by 50. So let's go back to our AutoCAD and draw construction line to draw our base first. So this is our base 1, 2, 3. Let us start it somewhere, and as I told you, as we look here, we have 1, 2, 4. I need the middle, so it will be 1, 2, 4 by 2. It will be 62, 62. So we have to go here and offset by 62, 1, 62, 2, enter. Now, in order to do this groove, it's 60, we have to go 30 to the right and 30 to the left. So I'll go back to my AutoCAD and click an offset, give it a 30, and go 30 to the right and 30 to the left. My base is ready. I can draw my base now. 1, 2, 3. Just sketch above the lines. And this is my base. Now let us draw our second part. Where is it? Here. So what do we have here? We have 50, we are going here 20, and now inclined. The inclined line didn't have a length. There's no angle and length of the inclined line, just he gave to me that it's 40 down, and he gave me the beginning of my inclined line here. It's from the, it's between the beginning of inclined lines in both sides, it will be 40, so from the middle to here it will be 20. So I have to take the 100, okay, and take from the middle 20, from the middle 20. Okay, let's go back here to our AutoCAD. This is my line, and I'll take offset first for 50, enter. This is my 100, okay, and I'll take 20, offset 20 to the right, 20 to the left. Okay, let's go back to see what we have. My inclined line is up, okay, over the base with how much? With 10. So I'll take from here to here 40, or from here to up 10, it will be the same, and the height, it will be the same 50 as in the side. So I'll take the 50 from the side and offset by 40, I'll go down. Okay, let's do it, let's do it. Okay, then we'll take a line from here to here. My inclined part is 20. Sorry, my part from the up 20, and inclined line will reach this intersection of my lines. It will go here, okay. So from here 20, and from the middle to here 20. This is my inclined face. This is my inclined face. Can you see? 40, then 20 from here, and we have 20 from here, and this is my inclined face. On the height of 10, or down we are going 40. So let's go back. Okay, mirror, of course, this line with this line. Okay, enter. My mirror plane will be here, enter, and I'll continue my front here. Easy, yeah? Let's see, finish, yes. We have our inclined lines, and this is my shape. For the slot, we'll deal with it we'll deal with it when we draw it at the top view. Now we come to end our second part. So get rid of construction lines, save, don't forget to save. And this is my front and side view of the visible parts of my object. See you later.